Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set username on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings, and here you will find it on your account settings. Click here and here just add or type your username and click here and it will be saved. And that's it for today. That's how to set your username, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.